What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and today we're going to make our official announcement. Exactly 1 month from today, we will be in Long Beach, California, May 30th at Toyota Fest. And Toyota Fest, as you can see today, I'm wearing a Toyota Fest shirt. Toyota Fest is a Toyota only show, a festival show in Long Beach, California. Do it once a year. And it's really, really cool. A lot of neat vehicles show up there, a lot of neat trucks, cool vehicles, cars, stuff like that. So we've been a vendor there, a vendor sponsor for a few years now. And it's always really cool to get there. Plus, it's going back to my hometown, so that always means something to me as well. This year, I know for those of you that have seen in the past, we normally take our shop truck, ITBs. Everybody loves this truck. It gets lots of attention. Everybody loves just staring at it in the booth, and it's in a very good attention grabber. It really is. This year, we're going to take this truck here. We're going to take David Ramirez's truck. It's a little dusty right now, but we're going to take David Ramirez's truck. This is a 95 Tacoma with a fully built 2RZ engine. We're talking it's got Arius pistons in it. It's got Potter rods in it. It's got all the good stuff internally, and we're just wrapping up the Nexus S2 full complete engine harness for this specific truck. Not just our normal Nexus S2 2RZ 3RZ complete engine harness kit. This one is a very special one, a custom one just for this truck. So that's pretty cool. So this has got a two-speed Powerglide in it. It's got an 8.8 Ford differential in it. It's got a spool. It's got all the good axles in it. We did the Caltracs suspension setup on the back. It's got coilovers on the front. I can go on and on about all the cool stuff it's got, but the best thing is come down to Toyota Fest. Come down to Long Beach, May 30th, and come see this thing for yourself. Ask some questions, hang out with the guys, and see what kind of cool stuff we got in the see what kind of cool stuff we got in our booth. So come by, see me, see John. He's the one holding the camera. He'd be out there holding the camera too, doing the same thing. So if you guys see him, look for the S&P shirts. I'm not wearing one, but look for the S&P shirts, and you see John out there. You see any of my guys out there with any shirts, and one of them's holding the camera. Get out in front of them, do like this or something like that. So that'd be awesome. We love that. We'll put that in the video because we plan on putting a lot of Toyota Fest content out there, a lot of vehicles and stuff like that. So that'd be super cool. Until then, we'll see you guys in Long Beach, May 30th, Toyota Fest. This is their 30th anniversary. I can't forget that. This is their 30th anniversary. So this is be really, really cool. So anyway, see you guys in Long Beach in 1 month from today. Thanks, guys. Have a great day and stay good.